Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see PUBG PC how to get any building roof. I show you guys how to do it. First, I show you in the squad offs. Just go in here and boom. Just double tap the spacebar and you will climb this squad offs. Now I show you guys how to climb this building roof. Just to go to the top. Just open the door. Just spray on the top of the door. Just climb here. Roof. Double tap the spacebar and you will climb. Now I show you guys in this building. And this use this trick on Pochinki. Just open the door. Just top of the door, you just need to break this like. Just need to climb the door, guys. Just climb this. Now get back as you can. There you go. Double tap the spacebar and you will be climbed. And this trick can use it anywhere, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.